How did Prohibition lead to organized crime? Have you ever wondered how a law meant to curb alcohol consumption actually fueled a surge in organized crime? Prohibition, which lasted from 1920 to 1933, banned the manufacture, sale, and transport of alcoholic beverages in the United States. This ban did not eliminate the desire for alcohol. Instead, it created a massive underground market. Criminal groups quickly seized this opportunity, transforming from small-time operations into powerful syndicates. Before Prohibition, crime was often petty, focusing on gambling and theft. However, with the demand for alcohol still strong, gangs began to produce and distribute liquor illegally. This practice, known as bootlegging, required a high level of coordination. Criminals had to manufacture, transport, and sell alcohol while avoiding law enforcement. To do this, they hired specialists like lawyers, accountants, and truck drivers, marking the rise of organized crime. Illegal bars, called speakeasies, became popular during this time. These establishments often required passwords for entry to evade police. To keep their operations running smoothly, gangsters resorted to bribing police officers, judges, and politicians. This corruption allowed them to operate with little fear of arrest, embedding organized crime deeply into American society. As gangs fought for control of the lucrative bootlegging business, violence escalated. Notorious events, such as the St. Valentine's Day Massacre in Chicago, highlighted the deadly competition among rival gangs. Over time, some gangs even negotiated territorial agreements to reduce violence and maximize profits, showcasing their growing sophistication. From a legal perspective, Prohibition was a patchwork of odd laws that varied by state. Some states had different rules regarding alcohol content or allowed limited exceptions. Criminals exploited these inconsistencies, leading to a confusing legal environment. Home distilling and small-scale production became common, often resulting in low-quality or dangerous alcohol. In essence, Prohibition created a highly profitable illegal market for alcohol, pushing criminal groups to become more organized and corrupt. The bizarre legal landscape of the time, filled with varying state laws and loopholes, contributed to the chaos that allowed these criminal enterprises to thrive. So, the very law intended to reduce crime ended up giving rise to organized crime in America.